Beat Wincraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to quickly and easily install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. This wig is from CurlsCurls wig company. I've worked with them. I've done so many hair reviews for them, but this time I decided to try something different. Yeah, it's a curly wig, but the color, the ombre, is something else. The ombre color is so beautiful. At least actually having to dye the hair to get this color is just incredible. Seriously, I know I can't do it myself, so I decided to get this particular ombre color, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. I really love it. So I went ahead to just moisturize it. As always, when it comes to curly hair, in order to maintain it, you have to always moisturize it. So I believe this wig is 18 inches long. It's okay, it's not so long, but I have any length you want. So if you want something shorter or you want something longer, they have all that. And the density of the wig is really good. It's very okay. It's not too full, it's not too scanty as well. I absolutely love this wig. It's like it has a lace closure here. It came pre-parted on this side. It has a lace closure and a little bit of lace in the front as well, so you can put it up if you want, and it has a lace at the back as well, so you can put it up if you want. I'm really loving this wig, and without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the wig looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the ombre color is just so beautiful. As you can see, it has a lace in front, just like a lace closure, and it has this band that is so secured. So when you put on the wig, it feels really secured. Like this wig is just to wear it and off you go. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace at the back. And then I'll put on the wig, and then I'll cut out the spare lace in front. After that, I'm going to take off the wig and I'm going to apply my foundation on it. Then I'm going to put on the wig again and then try to, properly secure it on my hair. After that, I'm going to spray my beard hair spray on the front part of the wig, and then I'll tie a scarf and let it dry for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. And then I'm gonna twist the parting a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray water on the wig, and then I'll apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to apply my heat protectant serum as well to properly moisturize the wig. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is looking so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. And as you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. And yes guys, that is all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.